Sri Guru Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. This is 10th standard, State Board, Chapter 5, Exercise 5.4, 10th sum. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the intersection of the lines. We already seen in the 9th sum itself, intersection means you can intersect at a point. The two lines are intersect at a point. So 5x minus 6y equal to 2 and 3x plus 2y equal to 10 and perpendicular to the line. Previously we have seen parallel. Here perpendicular. Perpendicular means you can take it as minus 1 by m. Parallel means as it is m value you can keep it as it is. Okay. Perpendicular to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. This is also important 5 mark question. See, to get the point of intersection. To get the point of intersection, you can solve the equation. You can solve the two equation. What are the two equation? 5x minus 6y equal to 2. You can take it as the first equation. And 3x plus 2y equal to 10. Take it as the second equation. This equation, see the value 6, 2. So this equation you multiply by 3. So what is the value we are getting now? 5x minus 6y equal to 2. Third equation, multiply the second equation by 3. So 3 3s are 9x. 3 3s are 9x plus 6y. 3 2s are 6y equal to 30. You can take it as fourth equation. Solve 3 and 4. Solve 3 and 4. Minus 6y plus 6y get cancel. Minus 6y plus 6y get cancel. So 9 plus 5 is 14x. 9 plus 5 is 14x equal to 32. 14x equal to 32. X equal to 32 by 14. X equal to 32 by 14. Cancel by 2 table. 16 by 7. 7 2s are 14 and 16 2s are 32. So x value equal to 16 by 7. You can substitute any one of the equation. So substitute x equal to 16 by 7. Substitute x equal to 16 by 7 in second equation. You can choose first equation also. Okay. So 3x plus 2y equal to 10. 3x plus 2y equal to 10. See here. 3 into x value is 16 by 7. 3 into x value is 16 by 7 plus 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 10. 48 by 7. 16 3s are 48 by 7 plus 2y equal to 10. 2y equal to 10 minus, you bring that 48 by 7 to the right hand side. 10 minus 48 by 7. 10 minus 48 by 7. See 2y equal to 7. You can take it as the LCM. So 70 minus 48 by 7. 70 minus 48 by 7. 2y equal to 22 by 7. 2y equal to 22 by 7. Y equal to 22 by 7 into 2. 7 into 2, 11 times. So what is the value of y? Y equal to 11 by 7. So the point is the point of intersection. The point of intersection is intersection. The point of intersection is, what is the x point? 16 comma 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7. 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7. Slope of the line and perpendicular to the line. First you should find out the slope of the line. Slope of the line. Slope of the line. 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. So slope m equal to, what is the formula? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Coefficient of x by coefficient of y, or a by b minus a by b. Okay. So slope m equal to minus coefficient of x is 4 minus 4 by minus 7. So m equal to 4 by 7. Perpendicular slope. Perpendicular to the line. So slope of the perpendicular line. Slope of the perpendicular line equal to, what is the formula? Minus 1 by m. Perpendicular line equal to minus 1 by m. So it gives slope equal to minus 1 by, what is the value of m? Slope equal to minus 1 by, what is the value of m? 4 by 7. 4 by 7, it gives minus 7 by 4. So equation of the line, equation of the perpendicular line, equation of the straight line, equation of the straight line, equation of the straight line, perpendicular line passing through the point, equation of the straight line passing through the point, passing through the point 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7, 16 by 7 comma 11 by 7, and having a perpendicular slope, and having perpendicular slope, and having perpendicular slope, and having perpendicular slope minus 7 by 4, minus 7 by 4, and having perpendicular slope minus 7 by 4 is y minus y1. This is x1, this is y1. Y minus y1. Y1 value is what? 11 by 7. Perpendicular slope is minus 7 by 4 into x minus x1. X minus 16 by 7. X minus 16 by 7. So it gives 7y minus 11 by 7. 7y, you can take it as 7 as the LCM, equal to minus 7 by 4 into minus 7 by 4 into 7x minus 16 by 7, minus 7x minus 16 by 7. You cancel this value. See here, 7y minus 11 by 7 equal to minus 1 by 4 into 7x minus 16. 7x minus 16. Cross multiplication. 4 into 7y minus 11 equal to minus 7 into 7x minus 16. 7x minus 16. 28y. You bring 4 inside. 28y minus 44 equal to minus 49x minus 49x plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 1, 2. So here x is negative. So you can bring it into the left hand side. So 49x minus 112 plus 28y minus 44 equal to 0. Minus 44 equal to 0. So 49x plus 28y. You add these two values, you are getting the value what? Minus 156 equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line perpendicular to the line. See the 11th sum. Find the equation of a straight line joining the point of intersection. Two equations are given. The same thing, see here, to the point of intersection. To the point of intersection, then two equations are given. First you should solve these two equations and get the point. And the same way you can solve these two equations also, can get another point. First you can take it as these two equations. See here, 3x to get the point of intersection. To get the point of intersection, you can take it as A. To get the point of intersection A, solve these two equations. 3x plus y equal to minus 2 because equal to 0. Okay, these two you can bring it into the right hand side, becomes minus 2. It becomes minus 2. The same way, x minus 2y equal to 4. X minus 2y equal to 4. First equation, second equation, multiply the first equation by 2. Multiply the first equation by 2. So see here, what is the value? 3 2s are 6x. 3 2s are 6x plus 2y equal to minus 4. 3 2s are 6x plus 2y equal to minus 4. Third equation, see, x minus 2y equal to 4. Fourth equation, solve 3 and 4. See, plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. By elimination method you are doing. 6x plus 1x is 7x equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. X equal to 0 by 7. 0 by 7 value is what? 0. Then substitute x equal to 0 in any one of the equation. So I can take it as first equation. First equation is what? 3x plus y equal to minus 2. So 3 into x value is 0 plus y equal to minus 2. 0 into any number 0. Y equal to minus 2. So the point of intersection, the point A is 0 comma minus 2. The point A is 0 comma minus 2. Then you can take it as the next two equation to get the point B. See here, 7x minus 3y equal to minus 12. Then minus x, you bring this value to the what? Left hand side, minus x plus 2y equal to 3. Plus 2y equal to 3. Take it as fifth equation and sixth equation. Solve to get the solve 5 and 6. Solve 5 and 6 to get the point of intersection. To get the point of intersection, you can mark it as B. To get the point of intersection of B. To get the point of intersection B. Okay. You can take fifth and sixth equation. Multiply this equation by 7 and this equation by 1. See here. See. So 7, multiply this equation by 1 and this equation by 7. So 7x minus 3y equal to minus 12. So you can take it as 7th equation. This equation by 7. So minus 7x. Can cancel any one of the value, either x or y. Okay, you can choose any one of the value. Plus 14. 7 twos are 14. 14y equal to 21. Solve. 7x minus 7x get cancelled. 14 minus 3 is nothing but what? 11y. 14 minus 3 is 11y. 21 minus 12 is 9. 21 minus 12 is 9. So y equal to 9 by 11. Y equal to 9 by 11. Substitute y equal to 9 by 11 in any one of the equation. See here, I can take it as sixth equation. In sixth equation, see, minus x plus 2y equal to 3. Minus x plus 2 into 9 by 11. 2 into 9 by 11 equal to 3. Minus x plus 18. 9 twos are what? 18 by 11 equal to 3. So minus x equal to 3 minus 18 by 11. 3 minus x equal to 3 minus 18 by 11. Minus x equal to, you can take it as the LCM as 11. 11 threes are 33 minus 18 by 11. So it gives minus x equal to 15 by 11. Minus x equal to 15 by 11. X equal to minus 15 by 11. X equal to minus 15 by 11. Therefore the point B is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Therefore the point B is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. See, you got the value of A value is 0 comma minus 2 and B value is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Equation of the line joining the points. Equation of the line joining 2 points. What are the 2 points? A is 0 comma minus 2 and B is minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. This is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So what is the formula? Equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB. Equation of the line AB. Line AB, what is the formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. y minus y1 value is what? Minus 2. y1 value is minus 2 by y2 value is 9 by 11 minus y1 value is minus 2 equal to x minus x1 value. x1 value is 0 by x2 value is minus 15 by 11 minus 0. Minus 15 by 11 minus 0. See, y plus 2 by 9 by 11 plus 2, it gives x by minus 15 by 11. So, y plus 2 by, you can take it as the LCM as 11. So, 9 plus 22 by 11. 9 plus 22 by 11 equal to x by minus 15 by 11. See, reciprocal that value 11 into y plus 2 by 22 plus 9 is what? 31. 22 plus 9 is 31 equal to minus 11x by 15. Minus 11x by 15. 11 get cancel. If it is equal to sign, same number is there, you can cancel that value. Or multiples of number is there also, you can cancel that value. What is the remaining thing you are having? Cross multiplication. Y plus 2 by 31 equal to minus x by 15. Cross multiplication. So, 15. See here. 15 into y plus 2 equal to 15 into y plus 2 equal to minus 31x. So, 15y plus 30. 15y plus 30. 15y plus 30 equal to minus 31x. But x is in negative. So, you can bring it into the left hand side. What is the value we are getting now? 31x plus 15y plus 30 equal to 0. 31x plus 15y plus 30 equal to 0. See, this is also important sum, 12th sum. Find the equation of the straight line through the point of intersection. Two lines are given to get the point of intersection. The point of intersecting at a point and bisecting. What is that bisecting? This is bisecting, that is a midpoint. The line is bisecting, you can get a value of the midpoint. Bisecting the line joining the points 5 comma minus 4 and minus 7 comma 6. See, first you can take this to equation. To solve the equation, you can get the point. To get the point of intersection, to get the point of intersection, see, 8x plus 3y, 8x plus 3y equal to 18, 4x plus 5y equal to 9, 8x plus 3y equal to 18, 4x plus 5y equal to 9. See, you can take it as first equation, this one is second equation. Multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by minus 3. Second equation by minus 3 because same sign. Same sign, so you can get the negative value for this term. So, you can multiply by minus 3. So, see here 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40x. 5 8s are 40x plus 15y. 5 3s are 15y equal to 90. 18 5s are 90. Next minus 12y minus 12x, minus 3 into 4 minus 12x minus 15y equal to minus 27. 15x minus 15x get cancel. 15x. So 40x minus 12x equal to 28x equal to 90 minus 27 is 63. X equal to 63 by 28. You cancel by 7 table. 7 9s are 63 and 7 4s are 28. So x value equal to 9 by 4. Substitute x equal to 9 by 4 in any one of the equation. I can choose it as second equation in 2. So 4 into 4x plus 5y equal to 9. 4 into 9 by 4. 4 into 9 by 4 plus 5y equal to 9. 4 4 get cancel. What is the remaining thing? 9 plus 5y equal to 9. 5y equal to 9 minus 9. That's 9 to the right hand side. 9 minus 9. 5y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 by 5. 0 by 5 the value is 0. So what is the point of intersection? Point of intersection is the point of intersection value is the point of intersection is what is that? 9 by 4 comma 0. 9 by 4 comma 0. So the point is 9 by 4 comma 0. This point you can take it as A. Next, see here, and bisecting the line segment joining the point. Bisect. Bisect means the line bisecting, that is a midpoint. So midpoint of 5 comma minus 4 and minus 7 comma 6. 5 comma minus 4 and minus 7 comma 6. So you can take it as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Midpoint of these 2 points you can take it as B. Midpoint of these 2 points and take it as B. Therefore B equal to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So that B point is B equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 is 5 minus 7 by 2 comma minus 4 plus 6 by 2. Minus 4 plus 6 by 2. So B point equal to minus 2 by 2 comma 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 comma 2 by 2. The point B equal to minus 1 comma 1. The point B is minus 1 comma 1. Equation of line. Equation of line AB. Equation of line AB is 2 points are given. If 2 points are given, what is the formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. If 2 points are given, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. When 2 points are given, what is the formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So you can substitute the value of x1 y1 in this formula. Y minus y1. Y1 is what? 0 by y2 minus y1. Y2 is 1 minus 0 equal to x minus x1 value is what? 9 by 4 by x2 value is minus 1 minus 9 by 4. Minus 1 minus 9 by 4. So y by 1 equal to, you can take it as 4 as the LCM. So 4x minus 9 by 4 by, the same way you can take it as 4 as the LCM, minus 4 minus 9 by 4. 4 get cancel, because if it is reciprocal, 4 get cancel. Y by 1 equal to 4x minus 9 by, minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. Cross multiplication. So minus 13y equal to 1 into 4x minus 9. Minus 13y equal to 4x minus 9. Here x is positive, so you can keep it as it is. X is positive. So 4x, you bring that minus 13y to the right hand side, it become plus 13y minus 9. Minus 9 equal to 0. 4x plus 13y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. I hope you enjoyed this class, children. Thank you.